Students, this is the last part of this chapter, numbers. In the previous part, we studied about how to convert a binary number to an octal equivalent. Okay? Here we are just the reverse of the previous portion, that is conversion from octal to binary. How to convert an octal number to a binary number. So already we discussed how to create the binary equivalent for the octal numbers. I think you all know how to convert an octal number to a binary number. So follow that method. So again, once again I am telling, don't memorize this table. Okay, so try to write the equivalent binary numbers according to the octal number. Here we are going to see some examples. First one is 7314, 7314 to the base 8. So this is an octal number. Okay, we are going to convert this octal number to binary. What we have to do is we have to write the digits from right to left first. Okay, 4 1 3 7. Now we are going to write the binary equivalent of this number. So the binary equivalent of 4 is 100. 1 is 001. 3 is 011. 7 is 111. So from here to here, from the beginning to end, we have to write the answer. 111, 011, 001, 100. Without space, you have to write the final answer. This is the binary equivalent of the given octal number. So one fraction value already know. For fraction, the integer part from right to left and the decimal part from left to right. Okay, so each and for octal numbers, group of 3 numbers we have to group together. Okay, then write the answer like this number and this number. So take a computer copy and write the numbers and practice by yourself. Okay, next one is conversion from hexadecimal to binary. Hexadecimal means 0 to 15. So I already told you how to write the binary equivalent for the hexadecimal numbers, that is 0 to 15, group of 4 numbers. Okay, octal means group of 3 numbers and hexadecimal means group of 4 numbers. As discussed in Article 8, conversion from binary to hexadecimal, one hexadecimal digit can replace corresponding 4 binary digits using the number chart. So I told you, don't memorize the number chart. Try to write the binary numbers by yourself. Okay, a hexadecimal number can be converted to binary by replacing each digit by the corresponding 4-digit binary number. Now we are going to see how to the conversion from octal number to hexadecimal. Okay, so first you have to read this. Conversion from octal to hexadecimal can be done in 2 ways. First one, convert the octal number to binary. First, given octal number is converted to binary. Then convert the binary number to hexadecimal. Both the intermediate conversion using the number chart has been shown in the previous articles. What to do is, first we have to convert the given octal number to binary. Again we are going to convert the binary number to a hexadecimal. See the example. The number is 53.5 to the base 8. Okay, this is an octal number. We are going to convert it into a hexadecimal number. So the rule is, first convert the octal number to binary, then binary to hexadecimal number. So first one, 53, that is the integer part, and 0.5 is the decimal part. Okay, the binary Equivalent of this octal number 3 is 0, 1, 1. Octal number means group of 3 digits. Okay. So the binary equivalent of 5 is 101, and here also the decimal part 5 is 101. So the answer is 101011.101 to the base 2. Here we converted this octal number to binary. Again we are going to convert this binary number to a hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal number means group of 4 numbers. So we are going to group this binary number into uh, mm, uh, into a group. Okay, so for the integer part we have to group from right to left and the decimal value from left to right. So here it is 1101 is in one group, the remaining number 0101, so we have to add two zeros before the number. Okay, and this number is from right to left, 101. So we want four numbers, so put a 0 in the right side. Okay, now we are going to write the hexadecimal equivalent of this binary number 0101. So in the 1th place, if it is 4 number, we have to keep in mind that it is 1 2 4 8. So in the 2 place is 1 and 8 place is 1. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 means it is A. Okay, here 1, then 2, then 8th place. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 8 is 11, so it is B. Here in the 2th place it is 1, so it is 2. So the answer is 2B point A to the base 16. Okay students. Next one is how to convert number from hexadecimal to octal. Okay. First we studied about from octal to hexadecimal. Octal to hexadecimal means first to convert the octal number to binary, then binary to hexadecimal. Okay. Here hexadecimal to decimal, then it is converted to octal. Okay, hexadecimal to, first we have to convert the number from hexadecimal to decimal, then octal. So how to convert a hexadecimal number to a decimal number? We already know the hexadecimal number means the base is 16, so multiply the number to increase the base of the number by 1. For the integer part from left to right, and the decimal part from right to left. Okay, then we have to simplify it. So we got one decimal number, that is 44.5 to the base 10. Okay, now we are going to convert this decimal number to octal. Okay, so how to convert a decimal number to octal? Divide the number by 8. The base is octal, base is 8, the number is 44.5, so 44 upon 8, you got the remainder 4, then the quotient is 5, 5 upon 8, so we got the remainder 5, and the quotient is 0, so we stop here. So the integer part is over. Then the decimal part is 0.5, so 0.5 into 8 is 4.0, so the integer part is 4 and the fractional part is 0, so we stop here, only we have to take the integer part. So the answer is 54.4 to the base 8. So students, now we are going to see the recap of this chapter numbers, number system and number of digits in that number system. So binary means 2, that is 0 and 1. Octal means 8, that is 0 to 7. Decimal means 10, that is 0 to 9. And a group of these digits. Okay. Then hexadecimal means 16, that is 0 to f. F means 15. Okay. Now students, take your copy and convert these numbers. That see the base here, it is must to see the base, as well as it is must to when you are writing the answer, it is must to write the base of the numbers. First one is binary to decimal. Okay, here it is written as from binary to decimal. This is binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal, octal to decimal, octal to binary, octal to hexadecimal, then decimal to octal. Here it is decimal to binary, decimal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to octal, hexadecimal to decimal. Okay. Next part is arrange the following as instructed in ascending order, in descending order. Okay. So you have to complete all these things. The more, once again I am telling you, more practice. You have to need more practice. So take the numbers one by one and solve by yourself. Then only you are able to understand how to convert a number from one base to another. Okay. So students, this is the end of this chapter. So practice yourself, keep on doing practice. If you are not able to understand, then we will see later. Okay students.